What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and it's Monday morning. We're actually gonna be riding with my brother-in-law. It's already waiting. Get some stuff out the truck and we're rolling. We're rolling. Huh? Facebook.
Huh?
Facebook. Yo tengo tratado one kilo, ¿verdad? So we're gonna be pulling this dash for his OBS. We came out here to the country. It's a parts truck. So hopefully it comes out in one piece. I know these are kind of fragile. So let's get started and see how it goes. So we got the dash loose. My brother-in-law's working on the steering wheel column. The dash is about 80. I'm gonna say 80%. Nah, I'm gonna say 90. Cause this one's broken. That one's cracked. That one's gone. But other than that, nothing a little JB Weld, a little hot glue, a little something can't fix. We're almost done. I think we're missing like a bolt on that side or two. There's a bunch of 8mm in the bottom. If you're trying to do this, there's a bunch of 8mm in the bottom. You have to take off the glove box. And right here, guys, under the airbag, there's two 13s. One that goes right there, and another one on this side, right there. You take those off, take that off on top, those three. You take off this one, there's one right here on the side, and it pretty much comes loose. So we got the dash out. Like I said, guys, got a couple broken tabs, but this is just for the AC vent. And my brother-in-law broke it. He broke the dash on the last screw. He put a little bit too much pressure, but we're gonna try to fix it, guys, with some JB Weld, and hopefully it goes back to normal. But it's still way better than what he has in this truck. It looks a lot newer with the little holder on top. Right now, guys, we're gonna be going back to O'Reilly's. We're gonna change this for some clear one, and we're gonna be aircrafting the rims. This is an old school method on how to polish those wheels. So if you want to learn how to do that, guys, go ahead and stay tuned. We'll be showing that here soon. Right in the single cab. Check out that dash. Got fucked up. Fellow YouTuber, Alright guys, so we made it to the car wash, and this is what you're gonna be using, is Aircraft. And this is very, 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 very dangerous, guys. You don't want to get this near your paint, near anything you don't want to fuck up. This, if you put this on your skin or something like that, it will burn a little bit. But all you do, you just come to it and you spray it. You spray it just like that, and just spray it. Just keep on spraying it, and it's gonna start bubbling up just like that. So you want to just give it a nice coat, nice even coat all around. Just spray, spray, spray. Let it sit for a little bit. Let it do its thing, and we'll be right back. All right, guys. So you wait for a little bit. You see how it started bubbling up, started turning a different color and shit. Then you want to hit it with the pressure washer. It's the easiest way. Knock everything out. And then we're gonna put some more, guys, for the rest. But as you can tell, guys, most of the clear did come off. Hopefully I can show you at least one rim all the way. The phone is dying, but we're gonna try to get this done right now. We're gonna do this. It's the same process on all of them. We got these two off, and it's the same thing. So it pretty much went from something like this, they were a little bit worse than that, to a little shine like this, a little shine like this, a little shine. You know, you can see right away the yellowness is gone. That clear coat, it's actually a clear coat, guys. You can still see some on the sides, but the bitch is gone. The next thing you can do to really get them perfect, you can sand them down, but you know, that's a little bit too extra. We're just gonna polish them with some others or whatever we got, and we'll show you that in a bit, the process on that. So we're polishing the rim a little bit, nothing too crazy, you know, it's just a little hand polish, but shines up pretty good compared to what they were. Looking yellow like that to a little something more like this, 1,000 times better. When you polish wheels, guys, you must have patience. You must have a lot of time, because it takes a good while. But we're gonna shine one up and show y'all the difference between a stock one and the polish. Truck looks good already, looks better. Tell the difference, the front rim to the back rim. So as y'all can see, guys, you kind of can see a reflection. It's not the best, but for a hand polish, it's pretty good. pretty good compared to these. Pretty good. That one still needs a lot of aircraft, but she's getting there. We're gonna keep on polishing these wheels until we can't no more. But meanwhile, y'all stay tuned. Okay, so we jumped to the extended cab, guys. We were polishing the wheels on the OBS, but mucho pedo, wey, mucho pedo. So my burner hooking it up with some mirrors.
Blessing the game.
Blessing the game. I think we got everything. Just gotta pull up. And so we got the mirrors installed. They look good. Just another little piece for the truck. Just another little piece for the truck. Big shout out to the cuñado for that hookup on the mirrors. Big shout out. Look at that. Big difference. It's the details that count, guys. The small details. So we ending the video right here, guys. It wasn't much, but we got a little bit of stuff done. We got the dash for the single cab OBS, and we cleaned up the wheels some and the mirrors in the truck. But if y'all want to see more on the OBS, drop a like, and we'll show more on the OBS. We'll come over here and fuck more with the OBS. The next thing is the dash. We're going to be swapping out the dash, guys. This dash is pretty crusty, and my brother-in-law is going to be doing a 3-piece window and sunroof pretty soon. He already has them here. So I'm going to go ahead and show it to y'all. He actually has 2 ready to go. He got a bunch of parts, guys. This guy has a bunch of parts. He has a hood for the single cab, HD bumper, HD grill, all that good stuff. He's just been stalling. He's been stalling. But what do y'all think? Just take a little view. Looking good. But yeah, guys, with that being said, we're gonna close this video with that. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget, guys, my boy up there, he good. Real good. So y'all keep pushing. Peace.